This is like the worst tasting fruit in the world, called durian.
Over on Bayard Street, you'll find an unofficial landmark called the Chinatown Ice Cream Factory. It's a family-run business going on to their second generation, so you can say that ice cream making is in their genes. Before I share with you what I got, I wanted to share an interesting observation I made. Their regular flavors all have unique Asian influences, and their exotic options are the everyday classics that you can get in the supermarket, such as vanilla, chocolate, Rocky Road, and more. What I'm about to show you are not your typical ice cream parlor flavors. You can only get it at New York City's Chinatown Ice Cream Factory, such as taro, durian, and lychee,
All right.
to name a few.
How is it? Surprisingly, this is like the worst tasting fruit, smelling fruit in the world, called durian.
Oh my God.
Now, let's dig in and enjoy this adventure.
This fence is terrible.
It tastes pretty good. Did you try it yet? Let me try it, lychee. Yeah. The owner is surprised that we've never been here before.
Me too.
All right, lychee ice cream. Actually, I like the durian better. I like durian better. Come here over here. Let me try the taro. Oh, you want to share? You don't want to share?
You want a lick?
Don't want to share. Don't want to get a camera either?
Even said mine's next.
Taro.
That's gonna be your favorite flavor.
Really? This is gonna be, you think this is gonna be my favorite?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. It's so hard. I would say between these two, if I only had to pick one, actually it would be durian.
What?
But this is good too. On this cold, wintry day, we're eating ice cream. Oh, you want it back?
Oh yeah.
Thank you. It's excellent, excellent, excellent stop. Excellent stop. I'm surprised we've never been here before.
Maybe
No,
just
I
like
would
go
go-
in the summer.
Last couple times we've been here, we walked by, it was just the line was too long. We didn't bother.
It's just cold here in the winter.
This is really, I like that.
Each flavor was balanced to let each ingredient shine.
This is really good. This is another stop we have to come by. Every time we come. The staples.
Check out these other Chinatown gems.